So the Samsung Galaxy S10 is getting a lot of buzz right now, especially after we heard about that insane specification. Now the device has been teased again, and this time it coincides with the popular meme these days, the 10-year challenge. Samsung has already been a part of this meme, but as we are dealing with the 10th anniversary phone, things are not gonna stop so early. And following that, the company has a new teaser for the Galaxy S10. Let's take a look. Well, we all want a smartphone with good battery life, so that we can get rid of these chargers for at least a day. But if you just look at these numbers before buying a smartphone, then you actually need to know the next part of this story. This particular aspect deals with a couple of points, out of which battery optimization is the most important one. Apple does a great job here, as the iPhones are capable to give a full day's juice out of them. It's only because of battery optimization, otherwise we have a 2658 mAh battery on the XS. Now Samsung is working on the same aspect, and according to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S10 will feature an excellent battery optimization. Considering the bigger upgrade, a more efficient processor, and a lot of other factors, I'm actually excited for this. The Galaxy S10 is going to last for at least a day and a half, as the Note 9 packs the same battery without such optimization or processor, and we can play with it for a day. He also says that the Galaxy S10 will have an advanced cooling system, which sounds like a good thing, as the Note 9 has water carbon cooling system that take care of overheat problem and also provides great experience in terms of usage. I mean, a system like this obviously ensure great performance, and now after Note 9, it's something that doesn't sound like a gimmick, and I expect it to be improved further. Samsung is going to follow Apple in terms of packaging. The company has made it official that from the first half of 2019, all phones, tablets and home appliances will be shipped inside a new packaging made of eco-friendly material. Let's see how Samsung does that, and I hope the same from all those manufacturers, as our environment needs effort. Also, this would change the Power Brick's top finish, as it's expected to come with a matte finish instead of glossy finish, so that they could eliminate the need of a plastic film. That said, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.